Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Rehan Saqib and you are watching Science Facts. Today we will be doing another experiment. Today we will be making non-Newtonian fluid. But first let me tell you what non-Newtonian fluid is, because some people might not know what it is. Non-Newtonian fluid is basically a liquid that does not follow the laws of Isaac Newton. It is a liquid that can be poured, but once it is touched, it becomes hard. And the harder you hit it, the harder it will become. So now let me teach you how you can make your own non-Newtonian fluid. The things that we need for a non-Newtonian fluid are very simple. They include cornstarch and some water. And most people have these items in their home already. So now we will add in a little bit of water to a bowl. We will use around 3 tablespoons of water, and inside of it we will add in a little bit of cornstarch, and we will start mixing it until it becomes a thick liquid. And now our non-Newtonian fluid is ready. Now let me show you how this works. If I pick it up and move it around, it flows as if it is a liquid, but when I put it down and hit it, it becomes a solid. And I can even pick it up, but once I let go, it becomes a liquid and starts to float again. Now, I hope that you found this video interesting, and I hope that you will be able to make this at your home, because this is very easy to make and everyone has the ingredients to make it, because it is only 2 ingredients and the ingredients are present in every home. And be sure to list your experience in the comments below. Now, if you're new to the channel, like, share and subscribe, and until next time, Allah Hafiz.